Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How Logical. In this video, we will be showing you how to reset your password on Plenty of Fish if you have forgotten it. First of all, go ahead and open up your web browser. Then in the address bar, type in pof.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website of Plenty of Fish. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Register Now or the Register button at the top right corner. From there, you will be asked to fill in your personal details and you will be able to create your account. In order to log in to your existing account, click on the Login button or the Sign In button at the top right corner. Then enter your username or your email address, followed by your password. Then click on the Login button and you will be logged in to your Plenty of Fish account. In case you forget your password and you are unable to log into your account, click on the Forgot Your Password button. Then you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click on Reset Password. When you click on this, you will receive an email from Plenty of Fish with a link that can be used to reset your password. From there, you will be able to create a new password for your account. So that's how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Plenty of Fish. If this video was useful to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.